Solid braid construction is ideal for numerous applications. Smooth and round contour is easy to handle. Size: 1/8 inch x 100 feet. Color: white. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect pool line replacement. When I went to my local pool store, I asked them if they had any replacement line to reattach my pool thermometer. They said they do not carry anything like that, which I thought was very strange. So I ordered this knowing that I would have much more than I needed, but so far it's the perfect waterproof nylon rope and it will be getting much more use in the future. Easy to cut and easy to tie. Excellent rope for any pool owner out there.